Atongoria a kiama kia ANC ruhonge rwa Nakuru ni mareganite na riciria ria kunyitithania ciama iria ire rungu rwa Kenya Kwanza kumba kiama kimwe kia UDA. Maugite rĩendekithia rĩrĩ ti kinyere ni ihinda rĩarĩo na ati gwa kahinda gaka ngwatanĩro ya Kenya Kwanza yagĩrĩirwo gukorwo igĩthugunda uria ĩkũhũthĩria a Kenya thogora wa mũtũrĩre.
We want to welcome the official statement released by the party leadership that ANC will not fold. This is a party that is built on principles and it's been in existence even before UDA, and therefore if any party has to fold, then it has to be UDA folding to join ANC and not vice versa.
The ANC party, we are strong and efficient to go. We are ready to make this country move forward because we promised Kenyans as a government that we will revive our economy. What Kenya Kwanza government should be looking at, and more especially the UDA party should be looking at, is to ensure that they are promoting legislative agendas in the National Assembly, in the Senate, to revive the economy of this country, not looking into issues of faulting parties or not faulting party.
Hiyo wakati ya kuanza kukimbizana na machama na kusema coalition ikuwe moja, saizi tunataka tuangalie watu wetu wanakufa njaa, watu wetu wako na shida, watu wanahangaika sana.